Hello, this is Coding GICA for full-stack developers. Sublime Merge is a Git GUI and merge tool from Sublime HQ, the creators of Sublime Text. It's a GUI Git management tool based on the same high-performance cross-platform GUI toolkit and syntax highlighting engine used in Sublime Text. Access sublimemerge.com and you'll see the download or install button for your operating system. On Windows, the download button will appear. Clicking it will download the setup.x file. Run the downloaded file and follow the installation wizard to install it. On Linux, the install button will appear. On Ubuntu, you can install it using apt. You'll need to install the GPG key and register the stable channel repository before installing. Since it uses the same repository as Sublime Text, if you already have Sublime Text installed, you can skip this step and install it directly. Launch the terminal emulator. Install Sublime Merge using apt. Run Sublime Merge. I personally prefer the GUI Git management tool, so I'll pin to dash. While you can clone a Git repository in the Sublime Merge GUI, here I'll load a Git repository already cloned in the CLI. I'll load another Git repository I've already cloned. Repositories will be added as tabs. You can manage multiple repositories simultaneously. I'll set my preferred settings for Sublime Merge. Some languages, like Korean, require double the width of English characters to maintain consistent spacing, so you may need to set a fixed width font for that language. The default layout has two columns on the left side. Because of the two columns, the right workspace feels cramped. If you set it to a single column, all three items can be switched between tabs. Hiding the application menu and making it visible with the Alt key when needed creates a more minimal and clean look. However, in the Wayland environment on Linux, the application menu in Sublime Merge crashes when displayed with the Alt key, so you'll need to make it always visible. Currently, the application menu in Sublime Merge for Windows has been moved to the hamburger menu, giving it a minimalist and modern look. I hope this will be implemented in Sublime Merge for Linux soon. It is recommended to display white space, as files with different white space are also subject to Git management. Since Sublime Merge has an intuitive UI, I'll skip over its usage. Thank you for watching.